Hello again and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So in today's tutorial video I will show you how to import using the Youtubomatic plugin videos from a specific playlist. So this feature was not so well explained for the Youtubomatic plugin until now, and let me explain it in this tutorial video from today. So I have this playlist as an example on YouTube, and I will use the Youtubomatic plugin to import videos from it. Keep in mind that this is not a full tutorial video on how to set up the plugin. If you want to learn how to set it up from scratch, you will need to check the first tutorial video for this plugin. But now let me go ahead and import videos from this playlist. So to do this, I will have to use the keyword search settings field and set up a new importing rule in the plugin. If I want to import all videos from this playlist, I will use a star here. So enter a star. This will mean that everything from this list will be imported. Now click settings and scroll down until you search for source playlist ID. And enter in the source playlist ID settings field the text that appears after the list equals. So this is the ID of this playlist. So copy it, paste it here, save settings, and let's check our site first. It's empty, and now let's run importing. Now the plugin will get videos from this YouTube playlist and post it to our WordPress site. Importing is already finished. If we refresh our site here, videos will be imported from this playlist. And if we check the video, it is embedded in the content of the create posts from our WordPress site. So yeah, this is how you will be able to embed videos from a YouTube playlist. This was a quick tutorial video. If you have other tutorial suggestions for this plugin or for other plugins, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have other suggestions, they are also welcome. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.